like this.
Yeah, yes.
This is okay.
But that's a bit too tall.
This is okay.
Yeah, move here closer.
3/4.
Yeah, but that one is a bit taller. So try to. This is a bud and then two
Okay.
leaves.
So up
Okay.
to here.
Yeah, that's better.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're getting it. So now,
Okay.
when we plucking tea, we just, I don't know, you have to
like
be,
this.
yeah, you see how fast I'm doing it. This one is
We are going to start the process by harvesting the tea, and tea plucking is usually carried out manually in Kisii. So we pluck a bud and two leaves, and that is it.
So that they're level.
Yeah.
Okay.
It promotes more bud growth, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then like a level ground or something.
Should I put them here?
Yeah. There.
Now imagine doing that in a day. You, like your family is going to depend on you picking tea, because you're going to get 10 Kenyan shillings per kilo.
After harvesting the tea, we carry it, because as you can see, we are harvesting the tea while placing it inside a basket. So we're going to carry the tea on our heads.
But I can just hold it like
It's okay. That's all you got is it's okay.
After getting the tea to the tea buying centers, we sell the tea to the tea factory, and the tea factory carries the tea all the way to the factory using their tea vehicles. And now this is the reception area. So our Kiamokama tea factory is a little bit bigger. It has got very many beds, as you can see, and these are people just turning the tea so that it withers uniformly. And we usually have steam drying the tea. You can see. So this is the CTC, C for curl, tear and crush. So this is the CTC section, and after tea leaves the withering area, it goes to the CTC section. So tea is going to be curled, torn, and then crushed before heading to the fermentation step or section. CTC just ended, and now the tea is being conveyed by conveyor belts to the fermentation section. For fermentation, we have a couple of beds, and the beds have different temperatures. So for a start, where we are at right now,
Now the fermentation.
so the temperature is kept in between 90 to 95 degrees centigrade, and the tea stays there for some time, about 30 to 45 minutes. And as you can see now, after leaving the fermentation process, you can see the tea has now transformed. The color is different. The black that you are seeing is another tea grade that's just being recycled, and then it's going to be blended into this other tea before it goes to the firing area. And now we head to the firing section. So firing section, this is where tea, the amount of moisture in tea is going to be reduced from anywhere in between 30 to 40% to 4-5%. And then it's also going to give tea the black color. After firing, the sorting and grading starts. And as you can see, this is just tea going up, and then the drums that you're seeing on the other side, on your right hand side, are tea graders. So they're going to sort and grade the tea depending on the density and the amount of fiber in the tea. Also, the size does really matter. As you can see, this is just a sieve, and it's going to allow particular, we have a variety of sieves that allow different tea sizes to pass through. And so we have different grades starting from broken peko to fannings, best to lowest. And broken peko is the best. You're going to see it in the next sample. So broken peko is the best. What I'm going to touch, that's fannings, F1. At the middle we have peko dust. What I'm touching is peko fannings, PF1. And the one to the right, that's the best quality, is broken peko. And the other ones are just a mix of fannings and the peko. So broken peko is the best. At the end of it all, we learned so much about tea, from harvesting to processing. Especially processing, as you can see, is a lengthy process. And the factory was so kind to us that they sold to us the best quality tea they get, because my interns really love tea, and Kenyan tea is one of the best tea qualities out there. Thank you.
Alright.